up, YouTube? Tim from Tim's Two Wheel Life here. And if you watched our pedal special, you understand why Bella's up in this rack and I have a pedal wrench in my hand. These Wellgos got a, I'm going to be replacing them with some Shimano M520s. These were just a little too rough getting in and out. It's just a matter of time before my cleat got stuck at a stoplight or whatever and I toppled over like I was 3 years old. So, what you're going to need for this one flip-flop maintenance video is a pedal wrench. This one's 15 millimeters, which is pretty much standard. Or a 15 millimeter wrench, or an adjustable wrench. Whatever you have, they'll all work. Some things that would be nice to have is a 6 millimeter Allen wrench and a torque wrench. So let's get started. First thing we got to do is take the old pedals off. So over here on the drive side, it's business as usual. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Try not to destroy your frame. One pedal. So now when you move over to the non-drive side, it's left-hand thread. So lefty tighty, righty loosey. Now we're going to grab our brand new Shimano pedals. And if you look on here, each and every pedal, because we have different threads, each and every pedal has an R or an L on it. So this one's my right pedal. And when it says right or left, it's always talking about as if you were sitting on the bike. So if I'm sitting on this bike, this is my right side, my drive side is my right side, and my non-drive side is my left side. So drive side is righty tighty. Put a little bit of assembly compound on here. And if you torque them up right to the proper specs, this assembly compound is just going to make it so much easier when you go to take these off. But Tim, you're putting grease on threads, yep. But you don't want your pedals to come off, right? No. So what's up? Once again, don't forget to torque them up. So I'm just getting those basically finger tight. If you look in there, you can see there's an Allen head. I'll do the other side using the Allen. Show you what that looks like. 6 millimeter Allen. 5 millimeter. There we go. And remember, the non-drive side is lefty tighty, righty loosey. So the opposite of normal. Get it started here. When you're coming from the back side on these pedals, it's the opposite. Not to confuse anyone. Alright. And that's just slightly more than finger tight. It's not super tight. So I read the instructions on my new pedals. 35 to 55 nanometers. I don't like to over tighten things too much, so I've got my Park Tool torque wrench set at 36 nanometers, 6 millimeter Allen key in there. Crank down on it till it clicks. And there it goes. Over to the other side, which is opposite. Flip the torque wrench around there. There we go. Gotta be smarter than the wrench, Tim. Alright, then I'll take a little bit of Tri-Flow. On these springs right here. Just to help things go a little smoother. Now these pedals you can adjust the tension on. So how difficult it is, quote unquote difficult, to get in and out with these little, there's screws right here. I generally leave mine as loose as possible until I get used to them. Then I'll tighten them up to where I'm comfortable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.